This week I heard the most amazing headline ever. Okay, so basically it said an Instagram influencer was kidnapped by the FBI.
Good life, easy.
With the help of the Dubai police.
Whoa.
So I was like, okay, let me look into this. Who's this Instagram influencer who's being kidnapped by the FBI from Dubai?
FBI kidnapping and Instagram influencer.
Exactly.
Damn.
So basically his name is Hush Puppy.
Correct.
Okay. And this is one of those news articles when you start reading into it, you go deeper and deeper and deeper and it blows your fucking mind. The man was caught with 40 million in cash.
Cash, baby.
$7 million worth of cars. Like 13, 14 cars. Like Lambos, Rolls Royces, Ferraris, name it. And you see his outfits and all. He only wears Louis Vuitton, Gucci, nothing else. His bag is only Louis Vuitton, nothing else. Okay. So I was like, what are these amounts? And then I look a little more deeper into it and then they say that he's scammed total of $440 million.
Wow.
$440
That's
million.
half a billion.
Half a fucking billy, bro. So basically, Hush Puppy is a part of this big cultural thing in Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
He's a part of this clan called the Yahoo Boys.
Yahoo boy.
He's a Yahoo Boy.
Yahoo boy.
And Hush Puppy is the richest Yahoo Boy. So Yahoo Boys are basically these young Nigerian kids who start off scamming people.
Think of Nigeria, you think of scams. Unfortunate, but
Yeah,
that's the first thing that pops up in
it's
your
a
head.
fact.
The Yahoo boy culture is fucking crazy. It's the same thing that you said. The more you read about it, the harder it gets.
Yeah, bro.
You know, you're like, damn, this shit exists.
Exist.
In 2020. You know, you want to become a Yahoo boy? Our doors are open.
Yeah.
Come, we'll train you. Everybody can eat on the table. You gotta do what we tell you to do.
So very inviting culture.
Very inviting. Everyone can become a Yahoo boy. If you see these videos of these Yahoo boys where people ask them, how do you make so much money? How do you have a Ferrari? How do you have a goddamn mansion in Dubai, UAE? Their answers are so bad that you know they scam. Bro, they're busting colleges and schools because they're running these Yahoo boy rackets in colleges.
Heavy.
So they are studying, but in their dorm, they're scamming.
बस पैसा बनाओ.
पैसा बनाओ.
ये क्या अभी पढ़ाई
देखो
लिखाई?
कॉलेज के बाद खाली डिग्री मिलने वाला है. जॉब का गारंटी है नहीं बॉस. That bro, Nigeria had to go so hard to bust these scammers that they formed a EFCC commission. Okay?
Just for this?
Just for this, bro. And they formed this EFCC commission just to bust Yahoo boys, okay? They formed a new law called 419, bro, which is advanced money scams. They are known to be the pioneers of that shit.
420 should have been the number.
They missed it by
420.
one. Though. Yeah, 420.
Kids are getting inspired because they're seeing that, oh my God, my friends, my cousins, my homies are making
Bank, baby.
What am I doing out here studying and wanting a government job or a bank job? What's that going to get me? Which car am I going to buy in how many years? And they all are show-offs, whatever you
Big
say, bro.
Big time show-offs. How can you show off stolen money?
Bro, I don't get it.
You're going to steal out of a COVID fund and go and buy a Rolls Royce the next day, damn. Hush Puppy got invited. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Like, dude, Virgil Abloh flew him out because that man was dropping so much money at Louis Vuitton in Dubai that, bro, they flew him out to Paris, SS20. You'll see him.
Bro, I saw one of his posts. You will not believe this, bro. His birthday. You know what he said? Starting off my day with sushi at Nobu in Monte Carlo.
Ooh, what?
Going in my private jet to get a facial at Dior, Paris.
Okay, so Monte Carlo, Paris. Okay, keep the jet running. All right.
Ending my day with champagne at Gucci. And the name is also amazing. Yahoo Boys.
Yahoo Boys. And Yahoo Boys also why? Because of
Yahoo.com.
Yahoo.com. One Yahoo Boy is scamming 10-15 people at a go.
Of course. Bro, they have a mission statement that if you start looting a vulnerable middle-aged lady, you don't stop with one scam. You stop when she's out of money.
Oh,
That's
what?
rule number 1. You don't stop at one scam. You don't stop at one paycheck.
You take everything out of the
take
bank account.
everything.
You wipe it out.
And they have done it to... Bro, there are interviews on interviews on interviews of victims. But I'm just thinking, why are you paying all this? Why? Like, what is this greed to make 3 times or 4 times or 20 times the money? Like, in 2020, with all the cyber security and everything online where you know what hacking is and where you know that people are out there to get your money, still you're paying money?
And
For-
you're
in the name
aware
of
of
love?
Yeah.
These simple kids from Nigeria, youngins, are making this kind of money scamming, and people like educated people, intelligent people
And giving it?
who have made money with hard work. The greed of making it double, triple, quadruple.
Returns 1000x. You know.
And you get an email, अरे तेरा ही नसीब चमका, हाँ तू ही लॉटरी
और
जीता,
तेरे को मालूम भी नहीं है कि तू लॉटरी में डाला.
तेरे ही प्यार में गिरी वो.
But make me understand one thing. Won't you realize? Okay, you randomly get a lottery email. Your dumbass doesn't know that you didn't play a lottery. How did you get a mail? How come you won a lottery you didn't play?
Bro, this is a simple case of bro के प्यार और पैसे के मामले में आदमी बौखला जाता है bro.
बौखला.
You
क्या
understand?
लाइन मारा है? क्या लाइन मारा है? Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Now Hush Puppy became so big, he stopped doing the romance scams. He was basically laundering money for big people then.
Correct,
so
correct,
his next deal was a laundering deal of $107 million.
Whoa.
You know, so he's in that level.
I want to say it's inspiring, but I can't. Bro, you gotta admit it that scammers are smart.
University kids are telling their friends कि चल भाई
Oh, there's a
तू पैसा बना ये सब छोड़.
Devang, there's a Yahoo Boy school in Nigeria. I hope you know that.
Step number 1 for a Yahoo boy, the initiation is always with a romance scam. It's very simple. What they do is, because of obviously Facebook, Instagram, and the help of all these social media apps, they target females, middle-aged females,
Got it.
divorced or
Vulnerable.
or their husband travels a lot or has passed away or whatnot from rich suburbs. You know, so not the elitist. The proper upper middle class.
Upper middle.
Then step number 2 is where they make the real bank, the millions. Okay, it's called the business scam. Okay, so the first is what Hush Puppy does, is the rerouting of emails. As you said, the Yahoo boys have gone so big that they have a school. But did you know they also have an office building? Okay,
Like a Yahoo Boy's office building.
Listen to this. So they have an office building in the city center, where they say that when you go around the building, you can only hear generators because the Yahoo boys don't trust the government for internet or electricity. What they do is, from this office building now, they have stamps. They have custom officer IDs. They have all documents with all legit information and letterheads and everything.
So basically, if anyone's asking for proof or information, they can quickly make it and send it out.
Set up.
Damn, that's
You
like
understand?
scamming heaven. If these guys had to apply it in the right fields, bro, they would make it.
Bro, I'm telling you, they would kill it.
Yeah.
It's a
The
shame.
youth are saying that Hush Puppy has done nothing wrong. The Yahoo boys are doing nothing wrong because they are bringing in money to the Nigerian economy. The way the government also must be set up is that when a Yahoo boy becomes so big, like when you're worth 500, 600 million, you can easily become like a politician. Right?
Bro, that's the next step.
Right, that's the next step.
So after business,
that's your way of now knowing that you'll never get caught.
you said it, bro. First step is romance scam. Second step is the business scams. And the third step is to become legit.
Countries are now becoming very strict with letting Nigerians into their country, bro.
I
So
don't
like
know
after
about
this whole Hush Puppy incident happened, right? Dubai and UAE have put a law, bro, that you can only come to Dubai if you're above the age of 40. You were so dumb that you were flexing stolen money. You thought that the FBI
Smart
was
enough to scam, but dumb enough to put it on Instagram.
Yeah.
Another question. Are you ready for
I'm
this?
shocked, bro. I'm just shocked right
Okay.
now. Yeah. Go ahead.
Who do you think are the Indian Yahoo boys? Socho.
Indian Yahoo boys are, of course, the popular show Jamtara.
Yes.
So the Jamtara boys are the Yahoo boys.
Yeah.
A town that nobody knows about become the capital of cyber scams.
Yes, sir.
It's crazy. Now this
crazy.
is what people say, yeah. They say that there was one guy who ventured out of Jamtara, went to a big city and found his way to all these fraudulent activities.
Okay.
He learned everything about scamming, made money. That one guy went back to his Gao, what they call Gao, Jamtara.
It is a Gao.
And he taught everyone.
So if the Jamtara boys are the Yahoo boys of India, who's the Hush Puppy of
Hush
India?
Puppy, Hush. Now there are many, but there's only one that pops up in my mind, bro. It's Mr. Modi, and by Mr. Modi, I mean Nirav Modi.
The Hush Puppy had to make all these calls and send all these emails and hack all these accounts to do all this fraud.
It's a long process,
10
bro.
साल उसको लगा, bro.
It's a long process. You can either make $1,000 or $0, but you'll give 1
So
2
he
months
made
of your time.
450 million, 500 million in 8-10 years. अपना नीरव मोदी, bro. काय को मेहनत करने का, bro. पूरे बैंक को लूट लिया. bro.
Daylight robbery, bro. Daylight में.
11,000 crore.
Bro,
Ain't sure. Are you understanding, bro?